Hey, what's up guys? Dave here, TMG Garage. Today I'm doing spark plugs on a 73 Super Beetle. So I'm just going to do a brief explanation on how to do these. It's really self-explanatory, so we don't have to go too far into detail, but I'll go ahead, turn the camera around and show you what I'm doing. Alright, so I've already replaced the cap, the rotor, the condenser, the points, and the wires are off. Now typically you wouldn't do all that if you don't know your firing order, but I do know the firing order, and I'll explain to you guys what that is. This is the spark plug right here. You're going to want to set the gap at 0.028. That's what it is for pretty much all Volkswagens of this vintage, 0.028. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And spark plugs are pretty simple. I mean, you take 3-inch extension. This socket here is a 13/16 socket. It's a lot easier if you use it without the spark plug holder in there, a little rubber stopper, because it's kind of hard to get those on and off. But without it, it goes right on. You can get them off. So go ahead, pull your spark plugs and gap your plugs, which I use a gapper like this. So we're going to set it to 0.28, which is just before the 0.30 there, or 0.030. That's where we're going to gap our plugs to, and then we're going to install all 4 plugs. Alright guys, I do want to warn you with the spark plugs on the Volkswagen, it's going to come with these little metal titties on top. And yes, I said titties. Come on boys, get your head out of your ass. We're going to pull those off the top so you have just a threaded top like that exposed. And that's how you're going to install your spark plugs. These here are the old spark plugs. It took me about 10 minutes to get them in and out. You can see they're pretty carboned up. So I'm sure points weren't adjusted properly. Probably fuel's run a little rich. But hopefully this will all get taken care of with the rest of our tune-up. So let's get the wires ran and go from there. Alright guys, so the firing order on this Volkswagen in particular is going to be 2143. So the way these cylinders are numbered, you have a 1 in the far back, 2, 3, 4. So going from your coil here, or your distributor, you're going to have 2, which goes over to this one here. 1, which goes all the way to the back over there. 4, which goes right here to the front. And 3 back there goes to the back. The center one here, this is going to go up to your coil. So go ahead and run your wires, and hopefully everything goes well for you.